Hello everyone. Today we will begin with our book Pebbles of Grammar by Galaxy Publications, Class 4. Hello everyone. Let's begin with our new chapter, that is chapter number 22, Comprehension. What is comprehension? A comprehension is an unseen passage, or it can also be an unseen poem. What you have to do in this is, you have to read the passage very carefully and then you have to give the respective questions, answers, and which are given at the below. So let's now begin with the first unseen passage, and it states that read the poem and answer the questions that follow. Let's read the poem quickly. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the most pleasant thing even a child can do. So, what does it say? It is saying that how do you like to go up in a swing? आपको झूले पे जाना कैसा लगता है? Up in the air so blue. So, they are talking about the color of the air also. Oh, I do think it is the most pleasant thing even a child can do. So now there is a rhyming word between the term blue and do, swing and thing. Then up in the air and over the wall till I can see so wide, rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Again we have two rhyming words, wall and all, and the other one is wide and side. Then till I look down on the garden, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. Brown and down are what? They are the rhyming words. So this was all about the poem. Let's now do the question answers. The first question given over here is tick the correct answer. So as we have read the passage, if you don't know the answers obviously, so what you will do is you can go through the passage again and then answer the question. Now let's solve the first one. Up in the air so, now what was the air color? Pink, green or blue? And the answer is blue. So you will put a tick mark on the blue and you can fill the blank also. Then even a dash can do. Now who can do? A child. C-H-I-L-D, child. Then till I can dash so wide. What is the answer? Till I can see so wide. Fourth is till I look down on the dash. Now where was he looking? He was looking down at the garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Then the fifth one over here, that is the last one of this page, down on the roof so dash. Now what was the color of the roof? The color of the roof was brown. So we will write here B-R-O-W-N. So let's now move quickly to the next page. The questions given over here we have completed. Let's now move on. So on the next page we have the next question, that is answer the following questions. And the first question is, what do you enjoy on a swing? Well, what do we enjoy? We enjoy going up in the blue air. So this is the answer for your first question. Then we come to the next question, that is, what beautiful things do you see when you go up in a swing? So what is the first thing that we do is, we watch various things. So answer is, we see things like trees, rivers, cattle, etc. when going up in a swing. Then the next question, have you ever been in a swing? Now this question is not related to the passage. The passage is actually given you a question on their own and they are asking from you that have you ever been in a swing? So what will be your answer? If yes, so you will write yes, I have been on a swing, or if no, then you can write over here no, I have never been on a swing. So this was all about the B question. Let's now do the C question. The C question is write rhyming words for the following words. Now these words are actually already given in the passage. You just have to write the rhyming words of these words, and these answers are also already given in the passage. The first word is swing, and the answer for that is T-H-I-N-G, thing. Then the second word is W-I-D-E, wide, and the answer is S-I-D-E, side. Third is W-A-L-L, wall, and the rhyming word for the same is all. Fourth is B-R-O-W-N, brown, and the answer for this, the rhyming word for this is D-O-W-N, down. So with this we have completed our first comprehension passage. Let's now move to the next passage. The next passage is another poem. So in this passage they are mentioning about certain questions which are also followed, and let's first quickly have a look at the poem. When the sun is high in the bright blue sky and the breeze is whispering through the trees so high, the children come out to play and dance and sing on this merry summer's day. With laughter and shouts they chase and run. Their joy and happiness have just begun. The warm sun shines upon their faces so bright and fills their hearts with pure delight. In the fields of green where wildflowers away, the children play on this happy summer's day. Their smiles and laughter echo far and wide as they dance and sing with joy inside. And the last words are actually what they are, the rhyming words. For example, sky, high, play, day, then run, begun, bright, delight, sway, day, wide, and inside. They are rhyming words. So this is all about the unseen passage. We have read the poem. Let's now do the question answers. Since we have read the poem, now let's do the question answers, which are as follows. The first question, that is the A question, is answer the questions. And the first question, when do the children come out to play? The answer for this question is the children come out to play when the sun is high and the breeze is whispering to the trees. Then the second question is, what do they do? क्या करते हैं वो? The answer is, they sing and dance on this day. Then the third question, what has just begun? The answer for this question is, the children's joy and happiness has just begun. Fourth question, what does the worm, it's not B, it is S, S-U-N, sun, do to them? And the answer for this question is, the warm sun shines on their faces and it fills their heart with pure delight. Then the next question, that is the last question, where do they play? And the answer for this question is, they play in the green fields where wild flowers sway. And hence now we have completed question number A. Let's now do question number B. Question number B says, you have to find the words which mean the same as given here. So they have given speak softly, and the answer for this is whispering. Then the next is happy or cheerful, and the answer for this is happiness. Let's now move to the next page and do the next question. The C question given on the next page is write rhyming words for the following words. And the first word is begin. The answer for begin is R-U-N, run. Then we have second word W-I-D-E, wide. And the answer for this is inside. Then third is delight, and for this the rhyming word is B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Then we have the fourth word, that is the last word, sway, S-W-A-Y, sway, and the answer is day. So with this we have completed the exercise of the passage, and let's now do the last question, but this is actually meant for you. This is your homework. Then let's have a quick look at the third passage. It says, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Once again we have to go through the passage, read it and then answer the questions. Let's do this quickly. The world's smallest birds are called hummingbirds. For the whirring or humming sound their wings make. These tiny birds can beat their wings up to 200 times per second. Sometimes the wings beat so quickly that you see nothing but a blur. Hummingbirds use a lot of energy for flying. In fact, they must eat constantly to fuel their active bodies. Hummingbirds can eat almost twice their body weight in one day. Hummingbirds use their tongues to suck the nectar out of the flowers. They also eat bugs. They can fly sideways, backwards, up and down, and even hover in mid-air. Hummingbirds' feet don't work very well. In fact, these birds can hardly walk. They can perch on flowers or branches to rest. They don't sing, but they do make chirping sounds. So now we have read the passage. Now let's quickly do the question answers of the following. The first question given, that's the A question. Answer the following questions, and the answer for the same is, first one, what are the world's smallest birds called? And as we know, the passage is around hummingbirds. So we'll write the world's smallest birds are hummingbirds. Then second question, why must the hummingbirds eat constantly? And the answer is, hummingbirds must eat constantly to fuel their active bodies. Third question, how do the hummingbirds use their tongues? And the answer is, they use their tongue to suck nectar out of the flowers. Then we have the fourth question, how do they rest? And the answer is, they perch on flowers or branches to rest. Let's now come to the fill in the blanks. They are asking to fill the blanks with the words using the passage. And the first sentence is, the world's smallest birds are called hummingbirds for the dash, and the answer is, whirring or humming sound their wings make. Then second is, these live birds can beat their wings up to 200 times per second. Hummingbirds use a lot of dash, that is energy, for flying, and a full stop. Then fourth is, they can fly sideways, backwards, up and down, and even hover in mid-air. Fifth is, hummingbirds' feet don't work very well, and a full stop. Now B question is complete. Let's now move to C question. The C question is asking you to make sentences or form sentences. The first word is beat, and for that I have made a sentence, that is, a human heart beats 72 times per minute. Then second word is active, and the sentence for this is, Ravi is an active boy. Third, perch. The answer for this is, the bird can perch on the branches for rest. So with this we have completed the exercises. Let's now move further. On the next page we have another passage, and now children, you have to read this passage on your own and you will do it as your homework. I hope you have understood how we have to go through a passage, what all details you have to mark, what all things you have to make notice of, and then if suppose you are not able to answer the questions, then I would suggest you to once again go through the passage and read it carefully. With this we have completed the chapter. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.